welcome back to my channel. Tedra Chanel here. As you all can see by the title, we are going to be doing a couple of unboxings, and we're just gonna get right into it. So as you all can see, y'all can clearly see what fashion house we are working with today. Y'all should know by now that this is my favorite fashion house of the moment, Louis Vuitton. So the very first thing that I picked up came in this really cute box, and this box is so extra. I told my essay, I was like, girl, where is you going? But it is just packaged up like this. I love how they just take, well, at least my essay does, she takes really good care and just make sure that the whole experience is amazing, and I just love that. So I didn't want anything too major. I went in, it was nicely packaged with the little sticker, but it is simply this beautiful bandeau. So as you all can see, it is a beautiful red bandeau, and on the reverse side we have some of the classic handbags, the Alma, the Speedy. I don't even know what the names of these other ones are, but I really like this one because I am a pretty neutral girl when it comes to my wardrobe. I love nudes, I love black and white, but then you have that pop of color, which I feel like my wardrobe needed, with the red here on this side. So this is a little something that I decided to pick up. I will mainly be wearing this in my hair. That is the whole point of me getting it. But yeah, this beautiful bandeau from Louis Vuitton. Let's see, it is called the Tribute to Beige. That is the name of this piece. And down here we have where it says Louis Vuitton. It's so pretty, love it. So that is the first thing that I got. So moving on to the final box that we have here, I did pick up something that was on my wish list. I already took the bow off. It is here. I just am so in love with these boxes. They are sturdy. You can do so much with these. You can use them as decor pieces. You can store things when your purse is in use. Some people will just put their handbags on a shelf, and they pretty much never put their bags back in these boxes, but you can use them as storage pieces. They're just so pretty and very sturdy. So side note, I always say that, but yeah. So here we go. This box is huge, but the essay, my other essay from the other location said that they didn't have any more smaller boxes, so he gave me the big box, and I was not mad at it. So again, this is something that was on my wish list, and it is the Toiletry 26. As you all can see, this was designed to be a toiletry bag, something that you would travel with. Obviously to put your toiletries in. However, I am going to attempt to wear it as more of a crossbody everyday style bag. So I did pick up on Amazon this chain and this organizer. Okay, I will link them both down in the description. And so I'm just going to show you real quick how you would go about turning this into a crossbody bag. So you're going to take your organizer and you're going to slide it in. Okay. I got this paper. Okay, make sure that it's in there nice and snug. All right, let me get up. So you're going to hook your chain to this first D-ring. Okay, And then you're going to take the other end and you're going to lift this up. Okay, you're going to lift up the flap and you're going to go under and clip this to the D-ring. So I'm trying to, gosh, this is harder than it looks. So there you go. And you would zip it up. Okay. And then it becomes a crossbody bag. Okay. Put it on like so. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag as well, which I would opt not to do. So lately I have just been carrying my mini pochette in the Damier Ebene, and I'm going to take everything out of it because I'm going to retire her for a little bit and put everything into this new bag. Okay. So I'm just going to put her into here, this dust bag, and keep her protected. All right, so I don't have very much. Let me grab my phone. Okay, so I got my phone because obviously my phone will not fit into the mini pochette, and so that's what has me really excited about this particular piece, because I will be able to put my phone in here. So this is what it looks like with the organizer. So I just have my card holder that I'm just going to throw in there. I have my 6 key I'm gonna put down in here as well. Let's see. I always like to protect this button on my 6 key, so I'm always careful about how I put that in. And then I have my little Chanel compact mirror that I'm going to put in the side pocket. I have a card from this place that I need to go and bring my iPad to get it fixed. And this is a little pouch that I keep these hand sanitizers in. I do have a coin purse coming, but until I get that, I also put change in here as well, which I don't have a lot of. And then my phone. That is legit all that I need to be able to put in here, and it fits. I have plenty of space left, so I'm going to I don't really want to touch the vachetta too much, but let's zip it up, and there you have it, you guys. Everything fits that I need to fit. Oh, you know what, I gotta try one more thing to see if one other thing will fit in here. 1 second. To see if my camera, the camera that I'm recording with, goes, this is the case. I want to see if this will also fit in here. Girl, this video ghetto. All right, so let's see, y'all. So we're gonna just take it. Also my AirPods, which I do not have in here, I know will fit just fine. Let's see. Yep, it fits. Bulges just a little bit, but I can rearrange some things. But yeah, you guys, this is it. The Toiletry 26 converted into a crossbody bag. This is a very, well, it's a more affordable piece from Louis, and it's a great way to buy your first piece from Louis without breaking the bank, and also make sure that it is more functional, because like I said, this technically is a toiletry bag, but thanks to the internet, you know, being so brilliant, we are able to now, we know how to turn this into an actual handbag that we can carry on a daily basis. So the last thing that I'm going to do with this is I'm going to spray. This is the only leather, the vachetta, on this bag. So I'm going to take some Apple Guard, okay? Because this is untreated. So I'm gonna take the Apple Guard, spray both sides 2 times to protect this leather, because if you leave it untreated, it will start to patina prematurely, in my opinion. And if you get a water spot on it or hand sanitizer or anything like that, it's going to leave a spot, okay? You also want to make sure, speaking of hand sanitizer, that you don't get any on your canvas, because it will remove the covering or the layer, the protective layer on the canvas, and then it'll have just like this ugly spot. So when you are putting hand sanitizer on your hands, make sure that your bag is nowhere near it so that it doesn't drip and potentially ruin your bag. All right, so anyway guys, I hope that you like this little quick luxury unboxing. Let me know down in the comments if you do. If you have this piece, let me know how you like it. It is one that is kind of hard to come by, to be honest, but you know, I was able to get my hands on it. You know, buying pieces, finding hard to find pieces from any of these fashion houses but Louis Vuitton, it takes some time, but just always have your money together and ready so that when you do find it, you can just strike while it's there. The best times to really look online is like in the middle of the night for whatever reason. That's when they seem to upload or update their inventory. Also, you can call the 866 number and have one of the client advisors locate or try to locate one for you in your area. They will tell you who has them, and it's just best for you to get up and run to the boutique immediately, or sometimes they may even be able to order it for you and have it shipped directly to your home, even if it says it's sold out online. So anyway, I hope that those couple of tips helped. This is the Toiletry 26, and I will see you guys in the next one.